So let's go through each one of these to see which ones will work. Number one, Andre studies 7 hours this week for exams. He spends 1 hour on English and an equal number of hours on each math, science, and history. So here's your equal number of hours right here. And here's your 1 hour on English, and then there's the total of 7 hours. So if we decide that one, that is definitely going to be 1. So we're going to say 1 works. Now let me get this off of here because we're going to go and check on the second one. So on the second one, it says Lynn spends $3 on 7 markers and 1 pen. So 7 isn't your total. On this problem right here, 7 is the total, and 7 is not the total down here. So 2 will not work. On number 3, it says that Diego spends $1 on 7 stickers and 3 marbles. Once again, 7 is not the total on this problem, so we are going to eliminate that one. On this problem, it says Noah shares 7 grapes with 3 friends, and he eats 1. So there's your 7 total grapes with the 3 friends, and he eats 1. So it looks like this one will work. So that means that number 4 is an option. Let's erase that from there, and then let's look at the very last question that says Elena spends $7 on 3 notebooks and 1 pen. So $7 is your total. 3 notebooks, there are your 3 notebooks, 1, 2, 3, and then the $1 pen is right there. So there's your ones that are correct. This is the very last one, so you should select 1, 4, and 5.